Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at an absolutely stunning 1969 Chevrolet C10. Gorgeous truck, guys. This thing has show quality Tuxedo black paint on it, all new red vinyl interior. Just a beautiful truck, man. Bought this from a buddy of mine, Scott. Truck's just undergone a complete frame-off restoration. It's got about 4,000 miles on it since it was done. You think it's got about 5 the way it looks. Rock solid Kentucky body. It's a step side, all new wood bed. It's got a healthy 350 small blocks that just beats the ground. All brand new rubber, 20-inch American racing wheels all the way around it. And I'm telling you, gorgeous, gorgeous truck. Hard truck to pick, guys. This thing is beautiful. You can see they replaced all the trim. There's a little chip there. I am telling you, this thing is just as slick as can be. My favorite color combination. I love black with a red interior. All new glass. I love that red interior. Literally turn the key, guys, take it right to a show. That kind of truck. Thing is laser straight, all brand new rubber, new wheels. It's as nice on the bottom as it is on the top. I'm telling you, we took it off the truck 5 minutes ago. It just got here. All we had to do was wipe it down. Front disc brakes. Look at the paint on this thing. When we fire this thing up, it's got a healthy 350 small block, Edelbrock 4-barrel, Performer aluminum intake. It's got the ram's horn exhaust manifolds, billet, Bowtie valve covers, HEI distributor. Just detailed to all heck underneath the hood here. 350 trans. Power steering, disc brakes. Oh, Jay said these are actually aluminum heads that are painted. They're actually flat like the darts. They're probably dart aluminum heads, actually. Look at the paint on this thing. Just gorgeous, man. Again, all new glass. You can see they just, look at that A-pillar chrome on. That's all brand new. New mirrors, new door handles. Love this truck, man. New carpet, new sill plates. Sports steering wheel. It's got the stock dash and gauges. Got an aftermarket AM/FM radio in it. 4669 on your odometer. Pretty truck, guys. It's a, I'm sorry, Jason reminded me of the rear. It's got a 12 bolt 355 rear end in it. It's all brand new Flowmaster dual exhaust. Like you say, just as nice on the bottom as it is on the top. Come on, there it is. Pretty truck, guys. Oh, sorry, some wax or something on those. Those are new. Got a nice little cam to it. This thing will scoot, man. Gauge is working. Oil pressure gauge works. Fuel gauge working. Backup lights. Thing sounds awesome.
Works, but it's not picking. I had it on. It's not picking up the station.
It does work though.
Yeah.
Oh, we're up against the building. Yeah. Lower motor. You don't know if you're getting anything?
No.
There's actually a little plug off right there.
Oh yeah.
We'll check it. Nothing on the wipers. We'll make sure those are fixed. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our new Instagram page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That is a gorgeous truck, guys. You know what? It's got a complete custom suspension too. McGaughys 5.7 drop kit all the way around. Have a great day, guys.